Hello everyone. Today I am going to present on a music technology related topic. The title of my presentation is Possibilities of Artificial Intelligence in Music. The topic of my presentation is Artificial Intelligence in Music Genre Identification. Introduction. Music is preliminary and event-based phenomenon comprising a series of musical components such as timbre, tonal quality, melody, and harmony that change over time. Content-based music generic classification is a fundamental component of music information retrieval system and has been gaining importance and enjoying a growing amount of attention with the emergence of digital music on the internet. Today, internet is the largest database of music and audio files. So it is very much important to categorize them according to their genre to find them easily and for find the information of each music pieces using machine retrieval system. Music genre classification comprises with two process feature extraction from music and genre classification using this feature. Definition. Artificial intelligence refers the branch of computer science and engineering of making intelligence machine, especially intelligent computer programs. Intelligence is the computational part of the ability to achieve goals. Musical genre classification is put into context by explaining about the structure in music and how is analyzed and perceived by humans. Both human listening and analysis activities can identify the musical structure of a piece that divides its content into sections, each featuring their own characteristics. Brief history. Concept of artificial intelligence was first introduced by Alan Turing in 1935 at Cambridge University. He described an abstract computing machine consisting of a limitless memory and a scanner that moves back and forth through the memory, symbol by symbol, reading what it finds and writing further symbol. The actions of the scanner are dictated by a program of instruction that is also stored in the memory in the form of symbols. In 1947 at London, he added the idea to train a machine from its experience. In 1948, he wrote a report entitled Intelligent Machinery, which was the first manifesto of artificial intelligence. But unfortunately, this report didn't publish. Artificial intelligence has less contribution in music. In 1960, Russian researcher Arkady Zaripov published worldwide first paper on algorithmic music composing used the Ural-1 computer. In 1965, inventor Ray invented a piano piece created by a computer that was capable of pattern recognition in various compositions. The computer was then able to analyze and use this pattern to create novel melodies. Current research on music using artificial intelligence is music composition, performance theory, and digital sound processing. Some software application of music using artificial intelligence are EMI, Chuck, Orchestra, Smart Music, Smart Play It, Ludic. Music genre identification is a multidisciplinary subject which includes music, information retrieval, artificial intelligence, and signal processing. Artificial intelligence in music genre identification uses invention theory models. Significance. There are some significance of automatic music genre identification. It will help to organize and maintain a large music database. It will help to store and play songs according to genre. The main feature of automatic music genre identification is to retrieve the information of music In literature review, I will explore the ideas of different authors, how they try to solve the problem by using different algorithms of artificial intelligence, how they are different from each other, what are the similarities between in them, and what are the shortcomings of these papers. I use Chicago style in the reference section. Thank you for watching my video.